All right, today I'm attempting my first wood-fired pizza, and I'm actually going to attempt my first beverage on the Camp Chef pellet grill. So my beverage is a grilled smoked peach smash. So first things first, I'm going to smoke my simple syrup. I'm going to get it out there on the Camp Chef, maybe get a little smoke infused in it. After that, I'm going to put my peaches on there. Peaches aren't in right now, so I had to get a jar, which is unfortunate. I'd rather it be fresh. But I'll put those out on the grill, 375, about 10 minutes. I'm gonna brush them with the smoked simple syrup. And then at that point, we're gonna, get our peaches in our glass, a couple mint leaves, and a little bit more smoked simple syrup. We're gonna muddle it, mash it up. Once that's done, we're just gonna add our bourbon, going with Jim Beam, classic, and some crushed ice, and probably garnish it with another mint leaf or two, and that'll be it for the beverage. As for the pizza, so the dough is gonna make or break this. So I got my dough, my pizza dough here. It could ruin the pizza. I don't know how it's gonna be. It was pretty easy to make. It was just water, active dry yeast, bread flour, all-purpose flour, and some salt. So it was really simple to make. So I hope I nailed it. I don't know, they look good. I got them getting up to room temperature here. We're gonna do Emo's cheese, of course. Why would you not? Best cheese out there. Pepperoni, of course. Gotta have pepperoni. A lot of people do Italian sausage, but I tell you what, if you have not done pork sausage on your pizza, try it out. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. And then just regular red pizza sauce for the pizza. The pizza, we're gonna do 400, 425, somewhere in there for 15, 25 minutes. We'll just have to see, we'll have to check the crust and see how long it's gonna take to get done, really. Just kind of going with the flow with it. So yeah, we're gonna get our simple syrup started, and then we'll do our peaches. And then by that time, our dough should be ready to shape. And then we're gonna get rocking on the pizza. So here we go. All right, here we go. I got my peaches. They're looking good. A couple of them got some real nice grill marks on there. That's what you want. All right, so we're gonna start off with a couple peaches in here. You know what the heck? We'll do one more there. All right, got my mint leaf, or mint leaves. All right, a little of our smoked simple syrup here. Muddle it up, mash it up, what have you. All right. Mix that up nice and good. Hit it with a little bit of our bourbon here. A little crushed ice. Kind of like shaved ice. Went a little hard with the blender. And there we are. Wow. Get a little smoke, a little sweet. Beautiful. All right, before we get to sauce and cheese and putting toppings on here, we got a little butter, garlic, parmesan mixture here. We're just gonna coat the crust with here. First, I'll show you what we're working with here. Crust looks pretty good. Like I said, we'll find out. Put a little light brush here. Ooh, that looks good. All right, and that's that. Oh yeah. So now we're ready we'll let this sit for a little bit. Then we're gonna sauce, cheese, top. We'll throw her on. All right, so our pizza is just about done. It is looking unbelievable. We're just checking the bottom here. And yeah, I think we're gonna take her off and give her a taste test. All right, so you go ahead and go first. You take a bite of yours. Okay. I'll take a bite of mine. Okay. Presentation is there, wouldn't you say? It looks like a pretty nice piece of pizza.
Pizza. There's nice pizza.
Yeah. Take a bite. What do you think?
Good.
Real good?
Yeah, real
I
good.
think it's pretty good, but the crust maybe got a little overdone. Maybe we'll take it off a couple minutes earlier.
Yeah.
But I think it tastes pretty good. You know, you get the Emo's cheese in there, a little sausage, a little pep.
I have sausage.
So you're a fan?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You heard it here first.